Hi friends, see what is given in this problem. A spring of stiffness K is placed horizontally and a ball of mass M strikes the spring with a velocity V. Find the maximum compression of spring. Now as this ball first one is not welded or connected to spring. This one what I represented, when ball is thrown in horizontal direction and strikes the spring, that one has initial position. At this position, this spring is fixed at its one end, other end is free. That means at this position 1, deformation of spring is 0. And at position 1, what velocity of ball you are getting is a v1. Now due to this kinetic energy, due to velocity, what happens? Compression of spring takes place. Velocity of this ball decreases, and where velocity of ball becomes 0, then you can say you will get maximum compression of spring. That means at this position 2, velocity of ball is 0. At this position 1, at spring is in undeformed state, initial deformation is 0, and as a spring, compression of spring takes place. Therefore what compression you are getting is nothing but x2, which one is unknown. Now weight of this ball acts in downward direction. Mass is given as 5g, that means weight acts in downward direction. This is 5 into g. Now as weight acts in downward direction but motion is in horizontal direction, therefore work done by weight is 0. If displacement of ball is in vertical direction, then only will get work done by weight. Work done by weight is 0. Work done by spring force half k x1 square minus x2 square, x1 is 0, and that is equal to k2 minus k1. Final kinetic energy 0, initial kinetic energy will get from this velocity v1, where this velocity, as it is thrown in horizontal direction with some velocity v, this velocity v is given in problem. That velocity with which it is thrown is 3 meters per second in rightward direction. Velocity is known. Final velocity is what? 0. x2 you have to find out, which is maximum compression of spring. If you apply work energy principle, W1 to 2 means work done by forces when ball moves from position 1 to 2 equal to Ke2 minus K1. In work done by forces, will get half K initial deformation square minus final deformation square equal to half m v2 square minus half m v1 square. K value is given as 500. That means if you substitute K, that is 500. X1 is 0. X2 final deformation unknown, which one you have to find out? Half m, this is v2 square, this one is 0, minus half, mass is 5, v1 is 3 and its square. Therefore if you find out here only one unknown term, that is x2, using calculator if you find out, this one compression of spring comes out to be 0.3 meters. X2 equal to 0.3 meters, which is final compression of spring. Thank you.